Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered how to save smartly for future education costs? A 529 plan could be your answer. It's a special investment account created to help you put money aside for college or trade school. The biggest benefit: your savings can grow completely tax-free, and qualified withdrawals are also free from federal income tax. It's a powerful tool, truly designed to make higher education more affordable for your loved ones. With so many options, choosing a 529 plan can feel a bit overwhelming. But here's a tip: you don't have to stick with your own state's plan. You can pick any state's program that best fits your needs. Take some time to compare investment options, check out the fees involved, and see if your home state offers any special tax benefits for contributing. It's all about finding the right fit for your family's financial goals. Ready to open an account? The process is quite straightforward. You'll need some basic information, like your social security number and that of the student you're saving for. Next, you'll choose an investment strategy, perhaps an age-based portfolio that adjusts over time or a static allocation. Most plans allow you to open and manage your account entirely online, making it very convenient to get started today. Once your account is open, it's time to start contributing. You have a lot of flexibility here. You can set up regular automatic payments or make one-time contributions whenever you wish. Keep in mind the annual gift tax exclusion, which is quite generous, allowing you to contribute a substantial amount without worrying about gift taxes. Consistency really helps your investment grow over the years, making those automatic contributions a truly smart move. So, how can you use the money you've saved? Your 529 funds can cover a broad list of qualified education expenses. This includes tuition, fees, books, and even room and board at eligible institutions. The flexibility is great, extending beyond traditional four-year colleges to include trade schools, graduate programs, and even some K-12 private school tuition. It truly is a versatile savings vehicle, empowering educational opportunities for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.